Don't assume that you've got everything protected. And unfortunately, it falls on a lot of deaf ears because people feel they are protected. They say, oh, no, we know about that. We've hired the right people. We've taken the steps. Well, I thought I hired the right people. And I thought that I had taken the right steps, but obviously I didn't. So I've been really advocating to my business owner friends that they engage an outside party that's reputable to do an audit. We really have to be vigilant in terms of security, both on a personal level and on a professional level. The biggest takeaway for me is just it's amazing to me how prolific this is. We hear about it all the time. And like I said, we see these fraudulent emails, but it's really, people are literally sitting there in different office buildings around the world, constantly pinging us and trying to figure out how they can steal from us. And that was quite an eye-opener for me.